Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and today in this video we are going to discuss questions of logical reasoning. If you have not yet attempted the quiz, you can check the quiz link in the description box below, and even link of our WhatsApp group is given below in the description box, so you can check out that as well. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin with the video. So the first question was AGLPS. One thing I forgot to tell you, that this quiz is also based on series completion. You must have realized it. You might have solved it as well. So you must have known that this is based on series completion. So till day 10, I'm going to give series completion quiz itself, because that will strengthen your series completion topic, and then we can only talk about it at the very end. So I'll start explaining. The first question was AGLPS. So you can notice that there is a distance of 6 letters between A and G, and 5 between G and L, and 4 between L and P, 3 between P and S. So there should be 2 between S and U. So what you should know while solving these type of questions is relation of alphabets with number. So A goes with 1, B goes with 2, like that. You should remember it in your mind. It should be memorized on tip of your fingers. So these questions can be easily solved with that. Next question is, the series is given some sort of, and we have to solve the thing in between, the missing part in between. So the answer here is option B, MVE. So we'll see. It is divided into first letter, second letter, and third letter. So you had to individually see relation between all the three letters and then find out the relation. So distance between A and G is 6. So and between S and Y is also 6. So if you have realized it, then distance between G and G plus 6 gives which letter? The letter is M. So even if you would have found out for 1, then you could have answered. Then similarly for second letter, it's 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Similarly for third letter, it's distance of plus 6. If you could have able to analyze it for even for one letter, there is only one option with letter M. Letter M initially. So answer here is option B. Next is A, B, D, E, F, H, I, J, K, question mark, S, T, U, V. So what you must have realized, should realize in the first place is only one letter is increasing. So 2, 3, 4. So here there should be 5 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So option A is already not there. And moreover A, B, C is not there. D, E, F, G is not there. H, I, J, K, L should not be there. M, N, O, P, Q should be there. Therefore, answer is option C. It was really easy to analyze. Okay, it was really easy to solve. Moving on to the next question. Y, B, T, G, O. So this sequence is taken a point of view of two different sequences. Okay, the first consists of 2nd, 7th and 12th letters from end of English alphabets. That's the reason I'm telling you that alphabets and their relation with numbers should be on your fingertips. And second consists of 2nd, 7th and 12th letters from beginning of English alphabets. So the missing letter in the second is 12th letter from the beginning of English alphabets, which is L. It was a little bit difficult to find out, and if you have answered it correctly, then very good, great work. Next is the last question, C, Z, F, X, L. So now it's such a long series and no relation found out, so it must be combination of two series, right? So the first pattern is C plus 3F plus 3I plus 3L plus 3O. So plus 3 is going to give you R. And next is Z minus 2X minus 2V minus 2T minus 2R. Therefore, the answer here is option C, R and R. So this is the end of this video. Hope you liked it. please like if you like the video, because what is happening, a lot of people are commenting below that great work, nice quiz, whatever, commenting their marks. So please take out that 1 second and like this video so that other people will know that this video is good. Yes, please subscribe to the channel and share it amongst your friends so that they'll be also benefited from these videos. Yeah, you can help your friends out, right? So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.